The J&K police, according to our sources, is conducting raids across the Kashmir Valley. There's also a fresh verification being done of those who are not local residents, which means even a poor labourer earning a barely few hundred rupees will have to at least now have the identity verified, also because in many ways for his own safety and to find out where has he come from, why is he there. But students, employees present in Kashmir, Mir Farid continues to be with us. So remember that demolition has happened of the active terrorist properties. But then what is this fresh verification means, Farid? Why are labourers, students, employees present in Kashmir also their identities being confirmed? For what reason? And tell us about the raids that are being conducted. What is on agenda for the administration?
Well, Pooja, as we have in fact reported this from day one, Pahalgam terror attack happened and then everything changed. Every passing minute there was a security operation. Now this is happening at multiple levels. There are layers to this. One, that is directly happening in the periphery of Pahalgam. The forces trying to hunt down the TRF squad which was responsible for this attack. Number two, the sympathizers, the people who have been supporting the OGW network, which is, as we have been saying, acts as an oxygen for these terror activities. They provide necessary logistics. They take them from one location to the other, act as navigators. So the police, the security agencies have been given this clear instruction to go after that. See, because already in the last 5 years that has been dismantled to a large extent, but there could still be remnants and they have been told to take care of that. Now, as far as the verification of non-locals and people in the Kashmir Valley is concerned, again, that's something, a situation that has arisen post the Pahalgam attack, because you have to understand that there could be sleeper cells who could be here in the Kashmir Valley. They could be going around as laborers or masquerading as anything from Bhelpuriwala to anything. So all those elements have now come into this. The forces don't want to take, the administration doesn't want to take any chances. They want to ensure that there is a sweep scan of everyone who's here. And then also the angle of Pakistani residents who have settled here. There are many women who are here, who are married to people, and to ensure that their verification is also happening. So it's a process that meets all those things, and that's why you'll see the security agencies saying that this is critical and they have to do it to ensure that...
and on the other side, we've also seen laborers being targeted in the past few years. That's the tragedy of Kashmir Valley. So much changed. There was a reason this man was on a zip line in a place called Baisaran. And then the massacre happened. We take one step and then a step back. That's perhaps what will be a longer strategy for the Kashmir Valley to keep the efforts ongoing against Pakistan-sponsored terror. Farid, appreciate you joining us for all the ground reports and updates.